Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Evo. If you're new to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified when there's an upload coming from me. Today we'll be making an repair oil, damaged skin oil. The oil you use when you have bleached your skin and your skin is now so pale, damaged, having discoloration, unbleached the eyes. Something you use to calm, to bring back its natural, its uniqueness. So the ingredient we'll be needing today is we have the Shenic Perfect Legs. Yes, Shenic Perfect Legs Stage 2. We'll be making use of our Shenic Perfect Legs Stage 2. Our magic kenacol. I don't know if you can see it. Magic kenacol. Our Crude kenacol. And I ordered for snail argan oil, but the lady that I do buy my organics from sent me this. This is not what I need. Escabeche snail serum. This is what she sent, so I won't be needing this. Instead, I'll improvise and I'll use my tea tree oil in place of the snail argan oil, and also our liquid gold pure tissue oil. And lest I forget, our measuring spoons. Our measuring spoons. The Shenic Perfect Leg Stage 2 will be needing a measurement of 2 or 15 ml. The kenacol will also be 15 ml. The Crude kenacol will be 5 ml. The tea tree oil will also be 15 ml, and liquid gold pure tissue oil will be 5 ml. As you can see in the container, it's already measured. So let's get started. Yes, we'll take our Shenic Perfect Leg Stage 2, 15 ml. Wow, sorry about that. 15 ml. I don't know if you can see. I'm straining here. I can barely see where I'm doing. The Shenic Perfect Leg. Wow, be careful, please. 15 ml. I don't know where I kept my funnel. It would have been easier for me. Our Crude kenacol also 15 ml. Please endeavor to shake before pouring out. It's very important. ml. I'm so sorry for wasting much of your time. Our tea tree oil also 15 ml. Wow, my God, I'm just pouring this thing away. Then our magic kenacol is half teaspoon. Then shake properly. Endeavor to shake very well. Yes, our repair oil is ready. Lest I forget, let me just run through the functions of this oil. The tea oil, as you will all know, it's a good essential oil for repair of body. It helps to reduce stretch marks. It works on green vein when mixed properly with other oil. It's a nice essential oil. The crude kenacol, it's basically for green veins. It's basically for what? Green veins. Then the Shenic perfect of skin problems like redness, varicose vein, scars, stretch marks. It's also a good product. Then the magic kenacol also is also help in skin discoloration. If you like this video, endeavor to share, and please once more don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.